because beyond us subsidizing production, you also went out of your way to get the best prices in the market. That is very commendable, because I follow. Yeah, I follow. And I'm keen about how much ultimately fertilizer. I remember I talked to some of the people in your organization, and I kept on encouraging them that we shouldn't pay a shilling extra than the lowest price. Mwezi huu wa sita, we will organize the first tranche of the money on the subsidy program. Alafu tukimaliza budget, hawa waheshimiwa waki-approve budget, we will pay the difference. That way, we can account for public resources, but we can also support ktda to support farmers. We need a strategy on how to package, first even to grow, to manufacture, to package, to sell, to brand our tea so that we get the right value. We are the third largest producer of tea in the world. And yet, there is no Kenyan tea brand. It is unforgivable.
Our factories.
Nayo kanjo ya makanitha guku bururiini niyo NCCK nionanitie guoya wa